Madam Speaker, I rise to ask question number 4 of 2017, standing in my name into the Zola paper. And the question is directed to the Prime Minister and Minister for Ethiopia Affairs, Sugar Industry and Foreign Affairs. Why didn't the Prime Minister authorize the Fiji Sugar Corporation to give a special cane payment to cane growers before the start of the new school year in 2017?
Thank you. The Honourable Prime Minister and Minister for Ethiopia Affairs, Sugar Industry and Foreign Affairs.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I do not know whether the question from Honourable Prem Singh is because he's a member of Parliament or because he's got a agenda because he's a cane farmer. Oh, both. Okay. Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I rise to respond to question number 4 of 2017 raised by Honourable Prem Singh. At the outset, Madam Speaker, let me make it quite clear that special payments are not part of the schedule cane payments mandated under the Sugar Master Award. I hope that's clear to Mr. Prem Singh. Thank you.
Thank you. Supplementary question. Thank you. Have the floor.
Can the Honourable Minister for Sugar advise this Honourable House whether the FSC is still a viable entity for the government of Fiji to fully focus its full attention to? Whether it's got the money or not.
Yeah. Madam Speaker, the opposition seems to tell us every day that there's a lack of understanding of what we do here in this House. That's a different question altogether. You should listen to what Mr. Prem Singh said.
Thank you. I give the floor to the Honourable Noikola.
Given that Fiji Sugar Corporation is $31 million loss and unable to do any capital project, thus they have the money to pay. Simple.
Point of order.
Do you have the money?
Point of order.
No, because he started off by making a statement. That's what Madam Speaker.
Do you have the money?
Thank you. Sorry?
Question now. Yeah, no, we'll get to it. Is Madam Speaker speaking to me?
Thank you. Honourable Biman Prasad.
Madam Speaker, the Prime Minister answered the question and said, just because it's not in the Master Award. Can the Prime Minister tell the cane farmers of this country, then why did he authorize a special cane payment last year? And he doesn't want to authorize it this year, because he's hiding behind the Master Award. It's not about Master Award, Prime Minister, it's about what the farmers need at the beginning of the year. You can dodge the question as much as you want, Prime Minister.
I understand your question.
That you authorized the payment last
Biman
year.
Prasad, you can sit down. Madam Speaker, last year a request was made. Never was a request made this year. Okay?
Thank you. Honourable Prem Singh.
Madam Speaker, I thank the Prime Minister for the answer that it is not part of the Master Award, but it has been the past practice of governments to make advance, and this has been the past practice, as I said. Now the question is whether the Prime Minister can inform this House whether the FSC has the capacity to meet those advances.
I'd like to just again remind honourable members that please just be mindful that the interjections will not curtail the other members from hearing the question. Please, Honourable Prem Singh, would you repeat the question?
Thank you, Madam. The question is very simple, Madam. Given the fact that this does not form part of the Master Award, we agree. But it has been the past practice of governments to advance monies to cane farmers. Now, we did last year, we did previous years. The question is FSC in a position to make these advances on request?
Thank you. Honourable Prime Minister.
I can't hear the last bit of that question, Madam.
Could you repeat the last bit of the question?
Madam Speaker, the question is FSC in a position to pay if requested for such advances?
No, that has nothing to do with this. Finance, it has to do with, as I've answered this question already, Madam Speaker. He asked initially why was they paid before and why wasn't it paid now? And I said it was because it is only paid before because it was requested. That's it. There's nothing to do with anything else.
Thank you. I now give the floor to the Honorable, sorry, yes, third last question, Honorable Howard.
Can I ask one question on sugar? Yeah,
Question, please.
Honorable Speaker, the farmers of this country want one very simple rate, which is $100 a ton. And this is paid by other jurisdictions. When can the Prime Minister, with this claim that sugar is doing so well, when can the farmers in this country get $100 a ton for the crop?
Honorable Prime Minister.
Madam Speaker, I've already said that there seems to be a lack of understanding on the part of the opposition in what we do here. That question is irrelevant to the one that was initially asked by Honorable Prem Singh. Thank you.